Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to put together this awesome LED dance floor. This is what comes in a pack. They come with 8 panels that are colorful LED mirror dance floor pieces, and they come with 8 plastic connectors and then this kind of power cord here. So on both sides of each panel, you're going to pull on these white kind of plastic ribbon pieces, and for any reason, if it's not coming up, as you can see here, which will most likely happen, you're going to take a screwdriver and go ahead and open just that one side so you can help it along a little bit. I mean, most of the pieces, they should be able to come out, but there were a few that did need that extra little help there. So once you lift it up a little bit, then that piece is going to come out really easily. So it's a couple of wires that are together in like a connector piece. So when you're putting the panels together, it's kind of a male and a female piece. On the end, you need to make sure that they kind of click into place, not like forcing them. That's when you know it's the correct male-female piece that will pull together, and that way at the end they will all kind of light up. So those little white kind of ribbon pieces, plastic ribbon pieces, just tuck them into the cracks there. So here's a connector piece, and this is how you're going to connect all the pieces together. Once you connect 2 pieces together, obviously all the rest connect the very same way. Make sure that you have kind of like the male and female that connect together, and here at the very end you want to make sure also there is a male and female connection at the very end as well with the cord itself. So you definitely want to make sure that both cords on both edges of that panel connect well. If it's not matching up, you're not going to be able to light it up. So just make sure you have that correct connection. So as you can see, once everything's together, it lights up the night. The colors are purple, red, orange. It looks awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to put it together and enjoy and dancing the night away. Like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.